Welcome. Right now I'm going to show you how to use applications in a pop-up view mode in your Samsung Galaxy Tab S6. So I'm going to open 4 applications and it will be calendar. Then I will go for the clock, notes, and also for the files. And right now we have to click here on this button and click on all of the icons and select the option open in a pop-up view. Click here and go with another. Right now calendar, the clock, and the last one, notes. Oh, I missed something, sorry. I think the files. Yeah, and right now it will works like that. So as you can see, currently we have 4 applications on one screen and we can go also for more. So it's a pretty cool feature. I hope that is going to help you, and thanks for watching. Leave likes, comments, and of course subscribe to our channel.